What is that?
Yes, for me.
What is it?
Another one.
Maybe you shouldn't shake it. Don't shake it.
Why?
Open it first. It says to Gabe.
How about this one?
It says to Angelo.
This one?
Yeah, don't shake it. Open it this way. There. Open it.
Okay, this way?
Yeah.
Okay.
No, Gabriel. Open it like that.
Oh, sorry.
What is it?
Cupcake.
Oh, yeah?
Cupcake.
Alright, you got something in the mail? Awesome! Alright.